Hi, yesterday when I checked HS code for used cooking oil for importing to USA, we found the USDA may have some requirement for used cooking oil. USDA means US Department of Agriculture. That's the reference from customer mobile of US government. They give HS code 1518, and also they mention the importing of used cooking oil may be subject to regulations administered by US Department of Agriculture, USDA. In website of USDA, I found a question somebody posted in 2021. In this one, they also mention USDA may have regulation for used cooking oil importing. This requirement is not the same as in Europe. In EU, the Department of Agriculture was not involved. Why US government want to involve Department of Agriculture? My understanding, they want to make sure no disease or virus could be harmful for the farm animal be imported into US. My mind is not necessary because cooking oil, the feedstock cooking oil will be transferred to biodiesel plant and will be converted into fuel, and so I don't think that will be harmful for any animals. But since USDA was involved, their purpose is the intent is to keep the animal safe. But also I found they do have a list of animal products that do not require a permit. So I think manufacturer or the import to work on with USDA. Maybe in the future, used cooking oil as feedstock could be in the list that do not need permit. Currently, they do need a permit. The permit said that each shipment must be accompanied by an original certification endorsed by full-time veterinary that hired by the government of originally product was made. Here is an example. When we export to US, we got a veterinary health certificate. In that shipment, we send 2 ISO tanks to US. In this certificate, that we need to state that the product is cooking oil, and cooking oil was collected from the restaurant, and also they may contain the trace of the fat from animal or part from animal, because it's not practical to avoid any fat or animal meat, because most cooking oil like fry oil is used for food, so definitely they will have trace of animal parts. And also USDA have a special request that the UCO was not contact with other animal organ or material. There's also a special requirement of heat treatment, depend which area. Like for some countries, they request the used cooking oil be treated at 70 degrees C at minimum 20 or 30 minutes. For from some other country, they request 80 degrees C minimum. So when we export to US, at that time, they request 70 degrees for 30 minutes. So to meet the USDA requirement, also the purpose of our process, we did a series of upgrading in our facility. The first is we install insulation on oil tanks, so that make it easier or less energy to keep certain temperature. And also we upgrade and recommission our steam boilers. And also we upgrade our treatment lines, and we recommission and upgrade our control systems and also some pipeline around the tanks. So we have no issue to meet USDA's requirement, and for import to US, that's our way to meet the requirement. Any question or comment, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.